Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pop the hood on a Volvo XC90. First, sit in the driver's seat and look down to the left of the steering column. You'll find a small lever, often marked with a car hood icon. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the vehicle, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This action partially releases the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now move to the front of your Volvo XC90. Gently lift the hood a few inches. It won't open fully yet. Reach your hand into the gap created, feeling for a small lever or tab located near the center of the hood's front edge. This is the secondary safety latch. You might need to push it to one side or lift it up. Once you find it, operate it to fully release the hood. With both latches released, you can now fully lift the hood. It will feel lighter and move freely upwards. Look for the prop rod, usually located on the underside of the hood or attached to the engine bay. It's a thin metal rod designed to hold the hood open safely. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to secure it. This ensures the hood stays open while you work. Keeping your Volvo XC90 hood accessible is key for routine maintenance, like checking oil and washer fluid levels. Always ensure the prop rod is firmly in place before working under the hood for safety. Remember to close the hood gently but firmly when you're done, making sure both latches engage properly. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with voice control and music. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.